Welcome to wild and wonderful West Virginia. Here in Cass, it at first glance seems like an out-of-prime logging town. That is, until you hear the shay locomotives pounding their way up the mountain. Fires, smoke, steam, and gears surround these engines as they sound their whistles loud and long, piercing through the steep and foggy mountains. Today, we will be chasing the day's trains from Cass all the way up to past the lower switchback. So sit back and relax as Shays 11 and 2 pound the trains up and down Mountain Thunder. We started out the day in the Cass yard. The first action of the day was Shay 2 pulling in with the 11 o'clock Whitaker train. Cass operates 2 of these trains per day, and each trip is about 2 hours long. We will be documenting this trip in a separate video.
Can you run to the car and get my gears?
Oh, yeah. So watch my tackle.
At exactly 11 o'clock, the train pulled out, with 3 cars in front of Shay 2. The chase had begun. chased him to our next location at Back Mountain Road. I might have had the microphone on the wrong setting because the step-top Reading 6 chime irritated the recording a little bit. Still a great shot though. Someone also brought their drone out. The second and final location of the train was at Gum Road. I had little time to set up here before the train came. If you ever decide to chase this run, just know it's very tight when it comes to getting to Gum Road on time. We then headed back to the cast yard to watch the 12 o'clock Bald Knob train pull in. Today's Bald Knob was pulled by Shay 11, with 5 cars in tow. Cass had re-lettered some of the Bald Knob cars recently, and it looks amazing in my opinion.
Yeah, just come over after the Bald Knob. Maybe we'll meet up, maybe. Alright. I'll see y'all later. Yep, we'll see. Have fun. Oh, nice. So we're probably gonna, like, at least get a shot for the winter. Alright. It was nice meeting you. Oh, it's nice meeting you. It's Tristan Wise. G-Wise.
The train too departed right on time, and the second chase of the day had begun. We once again chase the train to Back Mountain Road. This time we'll see the other side of the Shay, sometimes known as the wrong side because there are no gears or pistons. The train and I made it to Gum Road once again. This time we'll see the right side of the Shay. And lastly, our final shot of the Bald Knob train was at a dirt crossing about halfway up the switchback. A friend of mine called this place the money shot because of how beautiful it was, and he was not wrong. The last and final shot was at the Cass restaurant, where we saw Shay 2 pulling in with the Whittaker train. This was my favorite whistle from the entire trip. After this, we boarded the 2 o'clock train for the ride up to Whittaker, but I'm saving that for another video. Stay tuned. Anyway, we've come to the end of the video, and thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, and if you want to, you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Please also like, comment, and share this video if you can. The support is greatly appreciated, and with enough support we can get the channel monetized, so I can make even better quality videos for you all. Once again, thank you all so much for watching and supporting my content. See y'all in the next video.